This video will teach you how to parallel connect. We have 5 sets of the same capacity and unmatched voltage storage battery packs. Each set is 100 Ah, which is about 5 kilowatt-hours. 5 groups in parallel, a total of 25 degrees. Assemble the finished battery. We'll have positive and negative output ports, master and slave interfaces, which are full of various wires. To parallel the battery, we need to confirm who will be the master. Who is the slave? The master is responsible for collecting, summarize and process the battery information, and connect with the inverter. The slave needs to be connected to the master. Report battery data. For convenience of connecting to the inverter, we will set the first battery pack at the bottom as the master. When connecting, we should pay attention to every battery packs. There are several interfaces. These 5 interfaces. Which one is connected to the inverter? The first 3 can be connected to the inverter. The last 2 are for connecting the slave. Our inverter is based on our S485 protocol, so our master needs to connect to our S485 interface. The A port of the master needs to be connected to the B port of the second battery. The A port of the second battery is connected to the B port of the third lithium battery, and so on. The 5th group of batteries is the end. In addition to the communication cable, the positive and negative wires of the battery also need to be connected. After connecting the wires, we also need to perform dip switch settings. Each battery pack has several red buttons. Different battery packs have different dip numbers. The code is used to identify the battery pack. Therefore, each battery pack need different codes to represent different identities. Please note that different BMS, the dialing logic may be different. After all these settings are done, we also need to set and inverter information in the APP.